Hi, welcome back to Competent Electrician. Today we are going to share good tips for homeowners who are going to install cabinets in front of the socket outlet. Let us look at the circuit. This is a ring circuit where the power supply is supplied to the socket outlet, and goes back to the supply. So we are looking at redundancy and backup. Radiant circuit itself has a supply towards 3 socket outlets. And if 10 years down the road, okay, there's a 40 cable in between here. The technician will isolate the cable here and turn on the power to restore the power. And the socket outlet only can restore to this area, the first socket outlet. But if you look at ring circuit design, right, if the supply is disrupted and they isolated the cable here, when they are going to turn on, they will redistribute the power here, or the socket outlet will still have its electrical power. So, you must consider this carefully today. Do you want to put a ring circuit or you want to put a radiant circuit? We do design and we also do rewiring for houses. You can contact us. Furthermore, please share this video to your future friends and your relatives because this helps them to have a better choice in the electrical wiring. Thank you and goodbye.